Welcome back to the video, and if you don't know me, I'm Mr10M, and here on the channel I'm turning $1,000 into $10 million. If you want to be part of what I'm doing here, and if you want to see the journey, and if you want to do the same, like and subscribe to this channel. And in this video I'll show you how to trade, and I'll show you two of my strategies on BloFin, specifically on BloFin, because I think this is a good user-friendly non-KYC exchange to do this kind of challenges. And as you can see right now, I'm in a long position on Ethereum, around $100 in a profit 12%. Recently just opened. I think this trade can get into $1,500 in a profit. Before we start, remember, this is not a financial advice, and let's go. So as I told you, step by step, I want to show you this process step by step. I want to give you this video as simple as possible. First thing that you need to do is, of course, register on BloFin. If you haven't registered yet, if you want to get bonuses, if you want to get a bonus thanks to registering with my link, go in the description of this video and you will have a link that will give you cheaper transaction, cheaper trades, and basically bonuses for registration, as you can see, up to $5,000. If you don't want to trade under my link, I don't care, but simply in the future I'm planning to open a trading group only for people who register under my link. As you can see, BloFin X Mr10M. So go into the link and register using your email and password. That was step number one. If you have already done your step number one, the step number two is you need to, of course, deposit into your account. That's the only option for you to trade. You need to make a deposit, or you need to buy crypto on BloFin using those methods that I'm showing you right now. You have multiple options using SimpleX, using Alchemy. You can use Visa, MasterCard, or Apple Pay, or Google Pay, and this way you can start trading. You will see it here in the section buy crypto, and you can start, and you can do it in here in this section. If you want to deposit crypto, you need to go into your assets and click deposit, and after this you'll see multiple options for deposits. As you can see, I did two deposits of $1,000 because I'm during the challenge of turning $1,000 into $10 million, as I mentioned to you before. You can select a deposit and different methods of depositing. Network simplest method will be USDT using Strong Ethereum, BNB, or Polygon. After doing this, you will see a address that your address, not this one, because those are specifically addresses for your account or for my account. Those are different addresses. So you'll see your address where you need to deposit your crypto. That was step number two. Let's get into step number three is trading, is finally trading. When it comes to trading, when it comes to doing these crazy challenges like we do here, like I show you here on this channel, with spot, you can expect returns like 10%, 20%, 50%, 100%, let's say, on BTC. Okay, if we are talking about big returns, if we are talking about challenges, for this reason we need leverage. We need leverage, meaning that we can use small amount of money and trade it into big amount of money by using leverage, which means kind of borrowing money from the exchange. If you don't know what leverage is, use ChatGPT. I'm not gonna explain it to you here, but simply by using something like 20x, you can leverage, you can multiply your position by 20x. I'm using right now leverage of 30x because I'm running the challenge, because I want to turn $1,000 into $10 million. So that's the thing. Here you have the section where you open your position. Here you have a chart, and here you have your order book, and here you have a section where you can see your position. Okay, in order to start trading, you need to know how to navigate. You need to know how to use this section of the chart and how to do technical analysis. If you want to be part of it, as I told you before, you will need strategies, you will need to know how to do technical analysis, and you will need to know when to buy and when to sell. For this information, I will in the future start my trading group my private trading group for people, only for people who register under my link. I will check UIDs here. Every account has a different UID. If you register, I will be able to add you manually to the private group, but in the simplest possible way. Now, step number 4, I want to show you my 2 strategies that I do every single day for trading. So as you can see, those are candles. Yes, in this situation we are at 1D, which means one candle is specific for 1 day, which means this is 1 day, 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 etc, etc. Okay, as you can see, today we have this candle, and we went from $84,000 on Bitcoin up to $87,000 on Bitcoin, which was a change of 2.7%. If we zoom in into 1 hour chart, you can see that yes, we started from 84,000, and to me, I simply do the easiest technical analysis, in my opinion, which is support and resistance line for daily changes. Okay, if today we had the lowest price of $84,000, the highest price of $87,500, those are to me already support and resistance levels. This is not what you're gonna do for long-term trading. This is what you do for short-term challenges trading. Okay, mark my words, this is challenges trading. As you can see, for today we got this price for today is cheap, this price for today is high. Okay, this is high, this is low price. You have already 2 lines, support and resistance. Of course, we can still break this line, and this could make a big pump on the market. Okay, so those are 2 levels that you can easily set for your daily trading. If you are doing challenges, you can easily say this is cheap, this is high. Based on that, you can buy and sell. Remember, people also, everyone who is moving the market, which are people, you are trading against people. They also think like, what is the low price today? Okay, is it cheap? Is it high? Okay, we are up. Okay, maybe I should sell. Are we low? Are we minus 3% today? Okay, this is cheap. Maybe I should buy. So those are 2 lines that I use for daily trading, but don't forget about bigger lines when you zoom out. For example, $76,000 right now on Bitcoin is a huge support. Sometimes on the short term, we are still going to be taking into considerations these long-term lines. For example, we have an important level at $92,000, and as I told you before, $76,000. Those are already levels that you can trade about, that you can use for your daily trading. Okay, you can use this line for your daily trading. So this is just 2 simple methods that I want to give you in this video, and the reason for it is that this is a simple trading tutorial. If you are interested into more detailed trading tutorials, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and follow me on the journey turning $1,000 into $10 million, and soon you'll maybe have a chance to join the free trading group on Telegram. Thank you for watching. Bye.